Trigonometry, part 2 of trigonometry. Wait a minute, just a second. Trigonometry part 2. Trigonometry. What is trigonometry? I have shown you in the first video. Trigonometry part 2. The first diagram is of a hexagon. In first video, there was that hexagon, but the changes are now only in that we have to take only 3 triangles, which are these arrow ones. You have to draw the arrow in clockwise in just 3 triangle. Okay, now this means this diagram is for square formulas. So this is going from this and this, so we have to consider that sine square theta, first comes sine square theta, then plus, because we are going clockwise, plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Again here same, first is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cos square theta. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. We have to go clockwise. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus is equal to 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. We have to go clockwise. These 3 formula we have made now. Now we have to go anti-clockwise in this triangle only. Means we have to go now opposite. So that diagram is for anti-clockwise is this. So we were going like this, so we will go like this. So first which number come? 1 minus, we are putting minus because we are going anti-clockwise. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. I will show you again. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Now in this one, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. I will show you. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Minus because we are going anti-clockwise. I will put the arrows so that you can understand. In this one, sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. See, sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. Now you can see the written formulas. See, the first formula I was saying, this is for clockwise. These 3 are for clockwise. And I forgot how to change the ink. and these three are for anti-clockwise. Thus, for anti-clockwise, the formula is 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. I have said in the diagram that the first formula for the clockwise was sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The second formula was 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. And the third formula was tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Now we come for anti-clockwise. The anti-clockwise first formula was 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Second formula was cos sec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Sec square theta minus 1 tan square theta. This was the third formula. This was the sixth formula of trigonometry, which is used in square sum. Now we put the important thing of trigonometry. This table in your school, the teachers will tell you to learn this table very by heart. So I will tell you how to understand and how the values have come. So first we will see that how the values has been come. So first we will see for the 45-degree values. First we will find the value for 45-degree. For 45-degree, first you have to solve like this. First you have to take an triangle. First you have to take an triangle for 45-degree. You can take like this. This is 45 and this is 90, and this will be also 45 because 90 plus 45, then remaining angle is only 45. So sorry, this triangle is not this triangle is right angle, 45 and 45. This is hypotenuse, this is base, and this is P, means perpendicular. So we will take B and P as X. So the formula is h square hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So next step, hypotenuse square is equal to x square plus x square because B and P value is x. Then hypotenuse square is equal to 2x square. Then we will shift the hypotenuse square to the RHS and it will convert to the square root. So h is equal to square root 2x square, root 2x square. Now x is in square, so x will come out of root. Then h is equal to x root 2. Now we get the value of x. We have taken p is equal to x already, b is equal to x. We have to find h. We have find it. The value of h is x root 2. Now by taking this value, we will move forward. Sin theta, p upon h. You have to learn that magic 6 words that I have tell you first. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole. P by h. So the value of p is x. The value of h is x square root 2. then x cancel, so here remaining 1 and here remaining root 2. So 1 by root 2 is your answer of is your value of sin theta for 45 degree. Then we will find the cos theta b by h. Badri Har. The value of b is x, the value of h is x root 2. Then again x cut and remaining 1, the answer will come same. In third, tan theta p by b. Pandit Badri Prasad by Bole. P value is x, b value is x. Cut remaining 1 is equal to 1. Now we will not find the for 6, we will find just for first 3, not first last 3. We have to find for only first 3. Then the cos sec theta, cot theta and sec theta answer will come automatically. So we will move forward. The value of cot, cosec and sec I will tell you in the last how to find. Now we move forward. Wait a minute. I have written that for cot theta we have to do opposite of tan theta. Means tan theta of 45 degree is 1. You can go previous and see. Then the cot theta of 45 is 1 because no opposite is there of 1. For sec theta we have to do the opposite of cos theta of 45 degree. Means cos theta is of 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Then the sec theta of 45 degree will be root 2 because the opposite of 1 by root 2 is the reciprocal. So we cannot write in denominator 1. So root 2 is the answer. The opposite of 1 by root 2. For cos sec theta we have to do opposite of sin theta of 45 degree. Means the sin theta of 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Then the cos sec theta of 45 degree will root 2. I have explained in previous that the opposite of this will be this because in denominator we cannot write 1. Okay. Now next one. Now we will take the value for 30 degree and 60 degree. There the value, this value was there in the table. You can see. Now first you have to draw this diagram. This is a triangle. All angles should be 60. All angles should be 60. Then name all the 3 sides because the angle are same, the side will be equal. So one side is 2a, then other 2 side also will be 2a. Then draw the perpendicular CD. Then perpendicular bisect the angle in equal. So the 60's half is 30. So this angle will be 30 degree. Now we have to take this as a because perpendicular also divides the side in equal parts. This is 2a, so this will be a. We have to take triangle ADC. ADC. This one. First you have to take the value. Take h is equal to 2a because H is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, so 2a. Then B is equal to, because B base is divided into two parts by perpendicular, so we have named it as A. Now we have to find the value of P. Then let's see. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. 2a square, because value is given of h, 2a the whole square is equal to cd square plus a square. 4a square minus a square, the a will transfer here, is equal to cd square. So the power of both the is same, so we can subtract, so it will become 3a, and this square we shift it this side to LHS, it will become root. So root 3a square is equal to cd. Now a is in square, so a will come out from the root. A root 3 is equal to cd. So we get the value of perpendicular. Now we will take the value for 30 degree. First formula, sin theta p by h. So p value, now for you will see here p value is a root 3, per here p value is only a. I will explain. So we are taking the value of 30 degree, so we are to stand here at this point. So from this point the perpendicular is this AD. For 30 degree the perpendicular is AD and base is DG and the hypotenuse is same. But here we are standing here, so the perpendicular will AD. Now you can understand. So h value is same, p, because we are standing in 30 degree, so p is equal to a and h is equal to 2a. So a cut, so here 1 and here 2 is remaining, so 1 by 2 is answer. Now the 1 by 2 is the sine value for 30 degree. Cos theta is equal to b by h. B value is a root 3, because you can see in this the perpendicular is a root 3 and we have find the value of this perpendicular, and this perpendicular value is a root 3, but we are standing on the 30. For 30 degree this is base, that's why we are taking as b as a root 3. So a root 3, h value 2a, so a root 3 by 2a, so a cancelled, root 3 and by 2 is remaining. The value of cos of for 30 degrees 3 by root 3 by 2. Third, for tan theta is equal to p by b. P value is a, b value is a by root 3, I will explain. So a cancel, remaining 1 by root 3, root 3 is also remaining, so 1 by root 3 is the value of tan for 30 degree. Now we will take the value for the 60 degree. By the same diagram we will find the value of the 60 degree by the same diagram. For 60 degree, now we will take the real values. See, you can see that this value we have to take, because we are standing now on 60 degree. For 60 degree, this is base, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. So we have to take now the real values. For 60 degree, h is equal to a, p is equal to a root 3 and b is equal to a. For 60 degree, first formula, Sin theta is equal to P by H. P value is A root 3 by 2A. Then A cancel root 3 by 2 because root 3 and 2 is remaining. The value of sin theta for 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Then second cos theta B by H. B value is A, H value is 2A. A cut, remaining 1 by 2. The value of cos theta for 60 degree is 1 by 2. Now third tan theta P by B. P value is A into root 3. We can say A root 3 by A cut. This is here remaining 1, but in denominator we cannot write 1. So the value for the tan theta for the 60 degree is only root 3. Now we will find the value of 0 degree and 90 degree. First you have to see this diagram. First you have to draw this triangle. Now 0 degree means this is 0 degree. From this is 0 degree. Now we have to make 0 degree of this triangle. Now we have to decrease this side. We have to decrease angle slowly. See, we are going like this, decreasing. Now became, this is A, this is C, and this is B. This is C, this is B, and this is A. Now BC is on the same point. C came on the B. Now both are on the same point, and A is so A became the 0 degree. Now we will take the values. P is a perpendicular. C, this C became, this perpendicular is not there, so we will take 0. B is equal to AB, we have to take AB, B is equal to AB, and H is equal to hypotenuse is equal to hypotenuse is equal to B, so this will be equal to 1 because B is also AB and H is also AB. The first formula, sin theta P by H. The P value we have taken is 0 and the H value we have taken 1. So 0 cannot be divided by nothing. So answer, the value of sin theta for the 0 degree will be 0. Now second cos theta B by H. The value of B and H is 1 by 1. So 1 by 1 became 1. The value of cos theta for 0 degree is 1. Tan theta P by B. The value of B is 0 by 1. The value of P is 0 and the value of B is 1. So it will become 0 by 1. So 0, I have tell in the first one, 0 cannot be divided by anyone, so it will become the 0. The value of tan theta for the 0 degree is 0. Now we are proceeding to 90 degree. Now we will do the same, but we were decreasing the perpendicular. Now we will decrease the base. See, this is 45 degree angle we have to take. Then we have to decrease slowly base. We have to decrease slowly base. Now see, A and B is on the same point, and C. This perpendicular is BC, and angle A and angle A and angle B is equal to 90 degree with them. Now we will see the value. For perpendicular we will take 1. For B we will take 0 because no B is there now. For hypotenuse we will take 1 because the hypotenuse and the perpendicular is on same, because on same the BC and the perpendicular BC and the hypotenuse AC is on the same. So we will take the same value for the both. First, sin theta. Sin theta P by H is equal to 1 because the value of P and H is 1 by 1. So it will become 1. The value of sin theta for the 90 degree is 1. Second, cos theta B by H. B value is 0 and H value is 1. So 0 cannot be divided by any number. So the value of cos theta for the 90 degree is 0. Tan theta B by B. The value of B is 1 and the value of B is 0. 0 cannot be come in denominator. So we will take the P only. The value of tan theta for the 90 degree is 1. Now I will show you how to take the value of cot theta, sec theta and cos sec theta. Now let us go on table and I will show you the trick how to learn it easily. Sorry, I am doing it on PowerPoint, so it will take time. See, we have came on a table. See, the sine will be opposite of cos sec, cos will be opposite of sec, and tan will be opposite of cot. The zeros opposite cannot be done, so there is infinity. The one opposite cannot be done, the one opposite is 1, so 1. 0 opposite is infinity. Now you can see this. Sine of 30 degree is 1 by 2. The opposite of 1 by 2 is 2. See, 2. The cos of 30 degree is root 3 by 2. The opposite of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. See, we have to do opposite. The value of tan of root 30 degree is 1 by root 3. The opposite of 1 by root 3 is root 3 because 1 cannot be right in the denominator. Sin theta of 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Root 2. Here same value, root 2. One opposite is, we cannot do the opposite of 1. So 1 to 1. Root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Yeah, some problem is there. 2 will come. Not, this will not come. Printing mistake. Only 2 will come. Root 3, 1 by root 3. 1, 1. 0. Here infinity will come. But in net, this was showing 1. So sorry. Infinity opposite 0. Now I will show you how to learn it. First, you have to only learn the values of sine, tan and sec theta. See, we have observed the pattern 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Now see, 1, 1. Root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. at is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0. So sin theta value will be going, the sin theta value is going like this, and the same value will go like this in cos theta. See, you can see 0, 0, this is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, this and this 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 1, 1. Now in same, in tan theta also same, 0, 0, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 and 1, 1, root 3, root 3, infinity, infinity. In sec theta also 1, 1, root 2, 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3, as it is 2, 2, 1, 1, infinity. Here infinity, sorry, I have written infinity will come infinity. So you have to learn only the value of sine, tan and sec. The value of cos, cot and cosec will come automatically. Okay.